So guys, want to do some updates regarding the work that we've been doing. And one of the most important updates that I can share with you right now is the fact that we are starting with the 2-phase challenge. So now you can buy on PipFarm the 2-phase challenge. And this is a challenge with a 9% maximum drawdown, 6% target in stage 1, and 6% target in stage 2. This is perhaps one of the best challenges in comparison with the profit that you can do in the first stage and in the second stage. So the majority of the companies just go for the 10% in the first stage or 8%, but we decided to do something different, 6, and give you 9% maximum drawdown. So this is the major update that we have right now. We are seeing a massive growth over these couple of months, basically. I have been a little bit quiet on here. I'm not been posting anything, not recording anything. And that is because we are such in a deep work and doing so many things and so many updates that, I didn't find the time to put things out there in the way that I wanted to be posting. So in a creative way with a little bit more aesthetic, and I don't want to do just a raw video out there. But I want to keep you guys updated on the new things that we are doing on PipFarm. I'm very happy with the result of that. I hope that in the next couple of months we will have a massive growth because we are now fulfilling a gap that was in our products, that is essentially the 2-phase challenge. So we are now having a 1-phase challenge, a static and a trailing drawdown, and a 2-phase challenge with a static drawdown, 6%. So ready to take on my meal. So during the week, I just like to eat healthy and as fast as I can. I don't want to lose or spend time to prepare meals. So just as quickly and healthy as I can, so we can get back to work, basically. Some other things we've been working on is the content creation side. We found someone that was a really good content creator with a little bit more experience, and I think that fits very, very well with our brand. Our brand is an experienced brand with a very good background, a solid background. And that is why I think this new content creator that we have his name is James. You perhaps have seen some videos of him. And I think this is a perfect fit for the company. Please let me know in the comments if you like the videos that you are seeing from PipFarm. And if you have some ideas, just share with us. And this is the reality of creating an online company, is basically days and hours at the desk, just no lifestyle, no fancy things, just waking up, going to the gym and spend the rest of the day at the desk or eating, nothing else. So this is nothing very fancy, and that's something that I've been struggling with because, especially in the content creation side, what should we do in content creation since we don't leave the desk is very hard. And the majority of the content creators just have this huge lifestyle with Lambos and private jets and all this traveling, but they don't spend that time at the desk because they are in a different stage, or perhaps they are just producing the content and some other people will manage the company. We don't do this. James is at the desk every day, every hour, me as well, and the rest of the team as well. So we are not on the stage that we can just enjoy and let someone else run the company and just go on travel or something. And I never worked in a company, and I never knew someone that actually does that. The majority of the entrepreneurs that I know and the successful people are in the trenches, are basically working hard every single day. And of course they can have like trips or go to fancy restaurants or whatever. But the day-to-day is spent at the desk, taking decisions, making the work. So yeah, there is no fancy lifestyle. We'll go on vacations and then we have the fancy lifestyle for a week or two. But then it all depends on the work. And sometimes people ask, yeah, but isn't that the type of work that you can do anywhere in the world? And the reality is, yes, technically you can do this type of work anywhere in the world because this is an internet work. So you basically just need a laptop and an internet connection. But the reality is that as soon as I leave my desk and I go to other place, I don't have the same amount of focus. So it's just a matter of productivity. I'm most productive when I'm on my desk, when I'm on my zone. And yeah, that's it. Regarding trading, everything's going smooth right now. I don't usually trade in the month of August. At least I don't trade as much as in the other months. But that all depends on the liquidity that the markets will offer. So let's see. If there is any trades to be catch, I'll catch the trades. If there isn't, I'll do nothing. Time for a quick walk outside. It's good to leave a little bit the house and the desk just to come and take a walk. So I try to do this every day if it's not raining. Today is like mixed. This is also a good time to bring my dog to a small walk. As you can see, she's also small. So and she actually has almost 9 years, so she's not a baby. Today I'm building a Shopify store for a client. I also do, by the way, I never said this, but I do marketing work. I help brands grow on social media, on the internet, and I also do some other things. In this case, I'm building a Shopify store for a fishing store in the Dominican Republic, which is very, very interesting. And usually I give this to people, so to specialists, so they can work on that. But today I had a little bit of free time and I actually know how to build stores, so I decided to do it myself. And yeah, basically more 2 hours of work and everything will be done for the first tests if everything is complete. And basically I save money because I had to pay to the other guy to make the store, and now I just do it myself, so that's fine. And this is how you make money online. Just sell your knowledge, sell your time. This is scalable because you can use other people to basically not waste your time, and you'll just book the appointments and you close the deals. But yeah, so this is one way to make money online, not just trading or